Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Alphabetical Series Set 18. Question number 1. If in certain code shop is written as ginpok, then in the same code how code is written? Option A. Bdpnsft. Option B. Bdmsedf. Option C. Bdmpsedf. Option D. BDNPCFTF. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. BDNPCFTF. Each letter is coded as two letters, one following it and other preceding it. Question number 2. In a certain code national is written alti now then in the same code how daughter is written? Option A. Orthjar. Option B. Erdot. Option C. Irugdahat. Option D. Hate rugda. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. Irugdahat. National. Na equals 1, T equals 2, on equals 3 and dal equals 4. Similarly for daughter, DA equals 1, OG equals 2, height equals 3 and DR equals 4, and then arrange them in 4213 order. Question number 3. If in certain code marine is written as Amirane, then in the same code how inside is written? Option A. Nisde. Option B. Niaized. Option C. Nizid. Option D. Nisaid. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option B. Niaized. Inside equals in, SI, they equals write them in reverse order equals ni, is, ed. Question number 4. In certain code railway is written as SBJLVZX. How sparrow is written in that code? Option A. TQBRQNV. Option B. TQRBQNB. Option C. TQNVRQB. Option D. TQNVBRQ. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. TQBRQNV. First three letters are increased by 1, then fourth one is as it is and then last three are decreased by 1. Question number 5. If in a certain code clear is written as unt, then in the same code how pearl is written? Option A. Jux. Option B. Juhan. Option C. Juim. Option D. Juyem. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option B. Juhan. First writes the opposites like A equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X and so on, then shift the code by -1. Pearl equals Kvgeo now. 1. In Kvgeo equals Juhan. Question number 6. If in a certain code mental is written as Fnuvom, then in the same code how coding is written? Option A. Bjeho. Option B. Padejho. Option C. Pdpheho. Option D. Padadho. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Bjeho. Coding equals CODI. Now C is coded as O plus 1 equals P and O is coded as C plus 1 equals D. Similarly, for DI and ONG. Question number 7. If in a certain code crystal is written as DTJSXFR, then in the same code how quantum is written? Option A. WRDNXZS. Option B. Rudeness. Option C. RWDNXZS. Option D. RWNDXZS. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. RWDNXZS. Pattern follow +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, plus 6 keeping the fourth letter constant. Question number 8. If in a certain code clever is written as SDWDMB, then in the same code how decode is written? Option A. FCCFPB. Option B. FCPBFC. Option C. FCBPCF. Option D. FCCBPF. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option B. FCPBFC. Write the word in reverse order and then follow +1, -1, +1, -1 and so on. Question number 9. If in a certain code quick is written as HASIC, then in the same code how plastic is written? Option A. GC Uzbek. Option B. Kagbik. Option C. GC Bake. Option D. GC Bake. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option A. GC Uzbek. Write respective number of the English alphabets P, 16, L12, A1, S19, T20, I9, C3. Now add these numbers. P equals 7, L equals 3, I equals 1, S equals 1 plus 9 equals 10, T equals 2, I equals 9 and C equals 3. Now write the respective letter. Question number 10. If in a certain code mango is written as blil, then in the same code how monks is written? Option A. LPLMP. Option B. PLLMP. Option C. LPMPL. Option D. Plung. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option A. LPLMP. -1, +1, -2, +2, -3 pattern follows. Question number 11. If in a certain code register is written as Iriktsre, then in the same code how practice is written? Option A. Repasitec. Option B. Repasitk. Option C. Apiashetek. Option D. Apiaketek. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Apiaketek. Practice equals PRACTCE. Now reverse the pairs like Apiaketek. Question number 12. In a certain code system is written as NVGHBS, then in the same code how fraction is written? Option A. Mglshazui. Option B. Mglshazui. Option C. Rinkui. Option D. Migxu. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Migxu. First reverse the word and then write complement of each letter, like M plus N equals 27, A plus Z equals 27 and so on. Question number 13. If in a certain code right is written as Kgdo, then in the same code how wrong is written? Option A. VQJLB. Option B. VBPLJ. Option C. VPLJB. Option D. VLPJB. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option C. VPLJB. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 pattern follows. Question number 14. If in a certain code length is written as Ishmf, then in the same code how bright is written? Option A. Ugash. Option B. Ugsha. Option C. Ugsha. Option D. Ugshas. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Ugsha. Bright is written as Thagirb and now follow the pattern +1, -1, +1, -1. Question number 15. If in a certain code booklet is written as Tsusvg, then how answer written in that code? Option A. Akif. Option B. crowd. Option C, does D. Option D, BPZFPC. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option B, crowd. Booklet equals greater than D plus 2S plus 4U plus 6S plus 8V plus 10Q plus 12H plus 14. Answer equals greater than crowd. Question number 16. AECBFDGKI. Option A, MJN. Option B, HJM. Option C, MNJ. Option D, HMJ. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option E, none of these. AEC equals greater than position 153, BFD equals greater than 264, so on. So next will be HLZ. Question number 17. Difficult is coded as RRX fog. Then what will be the code for extreme? Option A, Vidpr. Option B, Vgimf. Option C, Vshung. Option D, Vagiv. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option D, Vagiv. Difficult equals greater than RFOG based on position from last D4 in alphabetical order. W4 from Z extreme equals greater than Vagiv. Question number 18. If in a certain code header is written as IDBFK, then how footer written in that code? Option A, GNPSFQ. Option B, NOFR. Option C, EGOPF. Option D, FMOFP. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option A, GNPSFQ. Header equals greater than IDBCFQ. Footer equals greater than GNPSFQ. Question number 19. Live. Care. WGLK. Option A, FOPK. Option B, POL. Option C, FPOC. Option D, EAPK. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option A, FOPK. Live. F-6O plus 6P minus 6K plus 6 care. W minus 6G plus 6L minus 6K plus 6. Question number 20. If in a certain code speaker is written as RQDBJFS, then how listener written in that code? Option A, Rjrudodl. Option B, Sajroifdm. Option C, LRTSGDDS. Option D, Xtual. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Rjrudodl. Speaker equals greater than RQDBJFS first and last letter interchanged, then +1, -1, +1, -1. Listener equals greater than Rjrudodl. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.